The purpose of the CB Installer Academy is to give the trade dealer confidence and knowledge of our products. And it starts at the survey stage. After that, you'll go up into the training centre, you'll get hands-on, so you'll get to know the product, you'll touch and feel it, and then we go through a handover and aftercare section as well. So ultimately, it'll give you the confidence to start installing tomorrow.
We got a lot more from the training than what we were initially expecting. Everyone here is so knowledgeable. All of our questions that we had, all of our concerns, they've all been answered and alleviated. And yeah, I would definitely recommend the training. It's been really, really informative.
The biggest benefit is the hands-on element of the course. So you get to know what products we do, you'll get to know how they go together, all the component parts. So ultimately it will give you the skills and the knowledge to carry out your own surveys and installations safely and securely.
What we enjoyed about the training was the hands-on nature of it, and how rather than perhaps just reading out a textbook or whiteboard, it was hands-on and we understood the product from the initial parts of installation all the way to the finishing touches.
If you'd like to book onto our course, you can register to become a trade dealer via the website. So you'd follow the trade portal. This will go through to our trade manager. Once accepted, you will then have access to the trade portal. So once you go on there, you can follow the link to Eventbrite, which allows you to book onto the course. There's 2 courses that you can do. So we do the louvered roofs and we do the awnings and external blinds, which you can follow the link and book into places going fast. So hopefully see you soon.